Creating and saving HTML documents. Let us see how we can create and save HTML documents. We will be using Notepad as a text editor for creating HTML documents. Follow the steps below. Step number 1. Use the search box next to the Start button to open the Notepad window. As you can see on the screenshot on the right hand side. Step number 1. As you type Notepad in the search box, the Notepad shortcut appears. This is your step number 1. You have to click on this. Step number 2. Type the HTML code in the Notepad window. Step number 3. Click on the File menu and choose the Save option. The Save As dialog box gets displayed. Step number 4. In the Save As dialog box, after selecting the appropriate folder, specify the name of the HTML file along with the extension.html or date.htm in the file name box. This is important. You have to give the name of the file which you wish. With the extension you must give is .html or .htm. Now let us see in this screenshot. In step number 2, we have typed that code in Notepad. Then click on the File option in Notepad. Click on Save option. So we will saving. Step number 3 is this one. As you click on the Save option, the first time the Save As dialog box comes, you have to choose the appropriate folder where you want to save it. That is step number 4. As in the file name box, I have given the name firstpage.html. So that .html or .htm extension is required, and save as file type must be all files. These two things are important: name, .html extension, and save as type must be all files type. Step number 5. Click on the Save button. Now viewing HTML documents. Saving we have done. How we can type the source code and save it. Now view. We can check how the web page will look like using a web browser. Example: Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Google Chrome. Now follow the steps below to view the web page. Step number 1. Open Google Chrome and press Ctrl+O, Ctrl+O from the keyboard. And then the open dialog box appears. Step number 2. Choose the folder and the file. Step number 3. Click on the open button. The selected file opens in Google Chrome window. Step number 1. Open this Google Chrome window. Step number 2, press Ctrl+O. As you do, the open dialog box opens up. Step number 2 is select the folder and the file. Here it is in the desktop, and then click on this file. See, first page is given, the name of my document, type of the file is HTML file. Step number 3, click on the open button. As you click in the window, see in the tab, the title of the web page, my first web page, is displayed. Name of the document is given, D drive firstpage.html, and the contents welcome to the world of web designing is displayed. This is the title of the web page, and this is the content of the web page, which I have written inside the body tag. That's all. Let us now see practically what we have learned today. So first of all, you have to click on in the search box and type Notepad. As we type, Notepad app comes, click on it, open Notepad. And here you have to type the source code, the HTML program. So let's type it. First it will be HTML, then head, under head there will be title, under title write the title, say my first HTML page. Close title, that is slash title. Now close head, that is slash head. Then we start the body. There we'll write, say, welcome to the world of web designing. Okay, then you have to close body, slash body, and then slash HTML. Now we have to save it, so click on the file option, click on save option. So first time the save as dialog box will appear. Suppose we want to save in desktop folder. Here type your file name, say the file name is first page, then give the extension.html or htm, and save as file type should be all files. These two things are important. Name of the file, whatever we wish, then .html or .html, then save as file type, all files. After that, click on the save option. Okay. Now you have to see first page file already came in the desktop. Now I have to open a browser. So let's open Google Chrome. Here's your Google Chrome browser. Now I have to press here Control and O from the keyboard, as you do in the desktop folder. So click on in the desktop folder. Here is your first page file. See, .html file created. Click on the open button. As you click on, you can see the output on the screen, and you can also see the title here in the tab, my first HTML page, and name here first page.html, that URL in the address bar. Okay, so in this way we can create an HTML file and view it in the browser.